Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can create a poll using Google Forms. So you can, once you create this Google Forms, you can share it to WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever it may be. You can email also. And the reason for me showing this tutorial on the mobile is most of us nowadays are using the mobile, but the process is very same if you do it on the mobile phone or on laptop. The process is very simple. Open the Chrome browser, just search as Google Forms here, and here you need to click through this website docs.google.com/forms. So docs.google.com/forms. So this will open the Google Forms, and there you can create a poll, and it is very easy and very easy to share to. See here, this is the untitled form. You can give whatever the name may be. For this tutorial, I gave something like just like my poll, and the description I won't give anything, and question, and here is your poll question, whatever it may be you can give here. So in this example I'm choosing something like basic student related poll question, like what's your favorite subject, just like that, simple. I'll keep a question mark, and for the answer I'll choose multiple choices. Okay, you can choose multiple choices or you can use check boxes, whatever it may be. For this I'm just using multiple choices, and the option 1 is
English subject, option 2 maybe social, option 3 science, option 4 mathematics, something like option 5 maybe environment or sports related.
okay. Yeah, just assume. Now there are few options or the settings you need to enable here. So what if this question, this opinion is must answer one, you can check this option as required. And yeah, there are few settings here, you need to click on the settings. Responses, whether when you're finish this form and when you send to one of your student, does it require to gather the other person email? If you want to collect it, you need to click on verified. If you don't want to connect any email address, you can make it to do not collect. But as my tutorial is respect to the student, I should know which student answered something. So what I'll do is I'll keep something like verified. So at the end of the video, what I'll do is I'll send it to my WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp through I'll also answer this particular poll, so that you will come to better picture. Yeah, and what else? Okay, from settings these are fine, and from responses, okay, accepting the responses from the question section. Yeah, everything is fine. And coming to the customization, you can keep or change the background color to whatever it may be, and click on the apply here, so that the background gets changed. And the designing part I'm not showing. So my poll is created. Now what I can do, I can click on this forward symbol where I can get this copy link. See here, I will shorten this link so that I'll copy this. What I'll do is, for one of the WhatsApp friend, I'll forward this particular created poll. Yeah, just on the WhatsApp I'll place the copied form here, and I'll tap on this. Okay, this is the my poll here, and this is how the students will look at the created poll. And see here, email is the required field, just because in the setting section I have opted to take the verified email address. That's the reason. So one has to check this checkbox, then only they can answer this poll. Yeah. What is your favorite subject? So I'll say something like social, and click on submit. So your response has been submitted. Submit another response. So we need to disable this option if you don't want the same student to repeat the answer. So I'll tell you like that. It is just here only. So in the response section, in the summary, you can check. There is the with this the poll results, you can check here something like I gave it like social. So 100% means there is only one answer. It is showing in this pie chart in this way. but when you get more than one responses, the graph gets changed. And coming to the settings, limit to one response, I need to enable this. So from the next time, submit another option will be removed when one submits a single answer. So if you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, I'll be doing, if you have any questions, I'll be doing another video on that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.